it's me, Allegra. Babes, I put together a look today using the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild palette. I also used the mascara and the highlighter. So I have a few other goodies that I did use too as well. You can probably tell, right? You're like, girl, you got a lot of makeup on. But if you want to see how I made this look today, and also I'm having a surprise mystery giveaway, then just keep watching. I'm super excited to play with this baby today. And I figured I'm going to do something really fun. I've been like locked up in the house, of course. So I figured let's have some fun. Let's play with some color and have some makeup therapy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. I started priming my eyes, but I'm going to go ahead now and finish. So I just love to take a concealer. The NYX one is amazing. The NYX concealer, it makes an amazing eyeshadow primer as well as a concealer. So what I like to do is just take a synthetic eyeshadow brush and I just place this all over my eye, and then I use the tip of the brush to carve out my brows. So I'm really happy with that. So now I'm just going to move right into the fun part and play with these gorgeous colors. They're so vibrant and they just look like they're going to be a ton of fun. So I'm going to reach into this pink shade first. That's this right here. And just taking a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that in the crease. It's so creamy. It's not patchy whatsoever. So I just love that. I just cannot stand patchy eyeshadows. So this is super creamy, and guys, believe it or not, this palette retails for $14.99. So for such a creamy, gorgeous color and all these other fun colors, wow, how gorgeous is that? I'm really shocked. So now I'm going to reach into the red shade here. So I'm just going to use that red shade to deepen up the outer portion of my eye. Let's see how those colors combine together. This is actually performing just like my Jefree Star Lipgloss that I just purchased, which those shadows are so creamy, so gorgeous, but that palette is about $50. So this is actually performing just the same, and it's $14.99. Wow, that's so gorgeous. I'm shocked. So I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend out my upper edge. So I'm going to try now some of this red here. It's like a little bit of a deeper red, so let's see what that does. And now I'm just going to blend the edge again. Maybe I'll take a little bit of that pink on and just blend just the edge. So now I'm just going to take some of that pink color again, and I'm just going to take it on a small fluffy brush and just going to smoke out my lower lashes with it. I'm just so in love with it. I'm so in love with this color. And now I'm going to take this pink shimmer shade, which I hope you guys can see. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm just going to take some of that on a pencil brush and just put that on the front portion of my lower lashes. So now I would love to just take some of this purple shade here, and I'm just going to put some of this on the outer portion. So now guys, I'm going to get into the shimmers, and I'm going to take some of this Urban Decay. This is the eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just going to put this on the front portion of my eye where I'm going to put some glitter. Right away, while it's still wet, I'm going to dip into using this shade here. This is King of the Jungle, and I'm just going to tap that right on top of the primer potion. I feel like, I don't know why, but it's just making such a more intense effect when you sweep it inwards. So I am sweeping it inwards like so. And now I'm going to put Liar and Cheetah right in the center portion of my eye and sort of transition out King of the Jungle. So now I'm taking the color Feline myself. These are so funny. And actually, this is a brush that I got. It's for nail art, but it's really thin, so I love any kind of thin brushes. So I'm just going to use this color to bring back our crease. So just where the gold shade and the pink meet, I'm just going to place it right in there, just so we bring back the illusion of a crease. Guys, I want to play with as many colors as possible, so I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm going to take Venomous, and on that smudger brush I'm going to place this in my waterline and kind of smudge it down into my lower lashes. Wow, that is so beautiful. I can't believe this. You would never think pink and green eyeshadow would look good together, but it really does. So I'm just going to place some liner on my upper waterline. So guys, I have the Bretman Rock Wet and Wild Mascara here to try, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to try this mascara out. So here it is. Again, the packaging is absolutely stunning. So guys, I cannot believe it. I actually had a mascara that I thought was hands down the best mascara I ever used. I was in love with it. It was Drugstore, better than high-end, but this is actually better than that mascara. So this is definitely my new favorite mascara of life. So I'm just gonna let my lashes dry though, and then I'm gonna put on, I did get a pair of, I've been using these amazing lashes. I'm just gonna pop them on. They're from Eyelure. They're called the Luxe Cashmere, I believe, number 8. So those are phenomenal. I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna finish doing my contour, and then I also have the Bretman Rock highlighter to show you guys and to try. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna be right back. I'll put on my lashes and do my contour and the rest of my face, and then do the lips and the highlighter. So I'll be right back. So guys, I'm just going to give myself a spritz of my Allegra Traded Beauty Mist. It is all natural, cruelty-free, vegan. It smells amazing and it makes your makeup last longer. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. So while my face is damp, I'm going to go in with the Bretman Rock highlighter. So this is really unique because it is a duo highlighter. So you're getting 2 highlighters in one. In this one container is a pink-ish bronze highlighter and then a traditional gold bronzer highlighter. So it has 2 different sides and 2 different colors for you to play with, and it's only $7.99. So you're getting 2 highlighters for $7.99. That's so flippin' amazing. So I want to play with both of them. So what you do is it has a little kind of compartment to close. So when you want to try one color, you can close and open or mix them together. So here is the pink gold shade, which actually looks really gold. But I guess when you blend it out, you'll see some pink to it. Wow, this is so pigmented. Wow. And that shade is called Bronze Tigress, and then the other shade is called Gold Lioness. So let me open up the other side. Wow. Wow. Okay, now I see the difference. The gold one is super gold, and then the pink gold is more of a shimmer, of a sheer shimmer. So depending on what kind of look you're going for, here is the Gold Tigress. This looks amazing. Gold one is amazing. And guys, I did get the highlighter brush too from this collection, so it's amazing. And of course, this will look so gorgeous in your tear duct. So I'm just going to give myself another spray to kind of make everything melt into my skin, and so it looks more natural and skin-like. So that just helps all of the highlighters that we just put on, and the creams and the powders and the bronzers and the glitters just all melt together and just look really effortless and glowy and dewy. So I absolutely love that. And I'm just going to pop on a quick lip. I do have the Bretman Rock lip gloss, but unfortunately I left it in my car, so I can't get to it right now. So I'm just going to put on a similar one. It is an exact dupe for the Patrick Ta Major Glow lip gloss that they have at Sephora. It's an exact dupe, but it's only $4.99, I believe. So I'm just going to use my Patrick Ta for right now, but believe me, it's an exact dupe. So I'm just putting on some Jefree Star. This is, I believe, Butt Naked. Yeah, Jefree Star Butt Naked. And I just put a little bit on the center of my lips and then press it in with my finger. So dolls, this is the finished look. Oh my god, I could not love this palette more. This highlighter is a must-have. Oh my god, that mascara in that highlighter. Oh my god, it was so creamy. Oh my god, so gorgeous. $7.99, and the mascara is $7.99. So, oh my god, I could not recommend them more. Especially mascara. If you could just get one thing, you should get the mascara. I really think anybody would love it. So guys, I am having a giveaway today for this little bundle here. There's a little bundle of goodies in here for one of you beauties. So if you'd like to take part in this little mystery bundle makeup giveaway, then just comment below your favorite color and I'll be picking a winner very, very soon. So I can't wait to see who wins. It's going to be coming in the mail to you, so it'll be a little mystery giveaway surprise. So let me know if you've tried anything from this collection. Do you love it or not? Have you seen it at Ulta? I really want to know what's going on. Was it sold out or what? Because it was online and now it's gone. So what is the story with that? Oh, and definitely those brushes are phenomenal. So if you see those brushes, always the Wet n Wild brushes are phenomenal, but these are just extra special because of the color, the pink and the gold. You cannot get enough. I also got the makeup bag tube, which is so thick. I mean, you could actually wear this like a clutch with your outfit for sure, especially spring break or the summer, going to the beach. This is everything. So actually this did come free with my purchase, but I'm not sure if they're still running that special, but they were having a special where that was free with your Wet n Wild order, because I did order this from the Wet n Wild website. So Wet n Wild is cruelty free. It is amazingly priced, and so I hope you guys can pick something up. Definitely I hope you'll take part in the giveaway. Just be a subscriber to take part. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys are all doing amazing, and I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.